What's good? Welcome to Vibes on the Soft Network. It's your boy El Kiro. You know, right beside me, I got Chiliano. SARSA, you
Type
name
shit.
it, boy. Yeah. What's up,
Type
my guy?
shit. Nah, I'm chilling, dog. I'm just a little bit sick,
Mm-hmm.
But then I'm chilling, my guy. How you feeling?
I'm not, dog. How's the flu
Ish,
in this heat?
I'm from Ganyang Bulalanja. I'm dying.
Nah.
Like, it's
Oh,
been
yeah,
over
forgot.
over maybe like 2 years since I've had flu, dog. Cause
Yeah.
I never used to get flu.
This is the
dog.
first time I've seen you with flu.
I never used to get flu, dog.
Nah, this is actually the first time.
Yeah, it's cause I quit like
actually-
a certain substance that I won't mention.
Oh.
I feel like that substance used to keep me,
Yeah.
But now, hey, boy, that is what it is, man.
Yeah, everything has its benefits and disadvantages.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, otherwise, I'm happy to be on another episode.
Type shit.
God is good.
God is good, man.
Yeah. That's
Talking
our first
about-
topic I'm playing.
Talking
yeah.
about God being good still, like,
Uh-huh.
yeah. SA is actually going up now.
For real.
In terms of, like, I'm a piano and hip hop, like,
Mhm. Mhm.
in the music industry.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's going up. I feel like most people already knew that SA is up because of Amapiano.
Yeah.
Seeing that most Amapiano artists are touring,
Yeah.
you know,
'Cause I'm a
worldwide.
piano solid now.
Yeah, but then with hip hop, Baby Days actually started something new, bro. There's this whole trend.
Yeah.
Hashtag they found us. What's the name of the song?
I don't know about that
There's
trend,
this
my guy.
verse that it did on Masambe. Is it Masambe?
The Africa is not a zoo. song.
Like me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw
That
on
one is
TikTok.
going crazy on TikTok. People are like showcasing the beauty of Africa, actually South Africa.
Mhm, mhm,
And I must say that's something, bro.
mhm.
And looking at it, there's also like a number of international artists that have been coming to SA.
Mhm.
We had Rick Ross,
Yeah, Chris Brown.
we had Chris Brown, we also had like Ghana. Ghana was
Ghana,
here.
yeah, Ghana was here
Yeah.
as well. Yeah. Did they
Chris-
announce like the whole Ghana thing? Because I saw Natsi he had like a concert with Heineken or something.
Yeah.
But I don't remember them announcing like Chris Brown.
Yeah, they didn't announce it like
It
that.
just happened.
It was just like Heineken House, Ghana this Saturday.
for real.
Yeah,
Hey, but it was packed though.
it was
What I saw.
packed.
It was hella
And you
packed.
know, the boys, Shakes and Les were there too,
For real.
representing. Yeah, they had a set. They were like in the middle of
It
everything.
makes sense.
bro.
Heineken.
Yeah, Heineken,
okay.
NK type
That makes
shit.
sense.
Nah,
Shout out
they
to the
are, bro.
boys.
Shout out to them for real.
Uh-huh.
Nah, I like the recognition that we're getting,
Mm-hmm.
you know. But then some might say it's part of the, demonic things that,
Illuminati.
yeah. Cause
Hey, who knows, dog?
all of a sudden, bro, SA is now popping like crazy.
Hey, boy, who knows, dog?
Cause how
Who
does that
knows?
happen, bro?
With Baby Days, do you feel like he's like, I don't know, I feel like he's authentic, yeah, it's him, but like, do you feel like he's representing South Africa properly? Because I feel like with his sound, it's more like with the song they released,
Yeah.
Masambi. Yeah, as much as he gave it a South African name, Masambi, but like the sound, dog, it's giving Playboy Carti,
Yeah.
it's giving, Boy Yeats. Do you think he's being like South African with his sound?
He's not.
He's not.
I don't think Baby Days has ever been South African in his
Yeah.
sound. He's always tapped into this American sound,
Mhm.
Yeah. Because it doesn't even do Vanak.
He doesn't, yeah.
It
So
doesn't.
do you think it's cool that he's actually bringing America and like a strong American sound this side?
Hmm.
Because I mean, it's dope. People are tapping into it for real now.
I feel like it is cool,
Uh-huh.
Because as much as it's an American sound,
Mhm.
he's stepping back to the roots,
Mhm.
putting Africa on the map and everything.
Yeah.
And people that side,
Can also listen.
listen and connect with the music more because it's something they're familiar with.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and there's a bunch of artists this side who are doing the South African sound and nothing's happening,
Nothing's, yeah.
So,
No, but shout
yeah.
out to Days, man. Days is doing things.
Yeah, he's
Because
going crazy.
honestly, like a year or 2 years ago, a lot of people were thinking he's falling off, including me. Because remember with the whole thing of him going to America and coming back.
Yeah, and
And
he had
really
nothing
not-
to show
like, he
for
wasn't-
it.
Yeah, exactly. And he wasn't like making like a lot of movements and stuff. So I could say that shout out to him for like carrying on, despite
Yeah.
the hate and everything, because he got a lot of hate, dog.
One
So with
thing we
him-
didn't actually take into consideration is that Baby Days was just doing TikTok. That's how we got to know him.
Yeah.
Yeah, then
Yeah.
when he tapped into the music, he wasn't just gonna pop. Yeah.
Facts.
Because, okay, we get that he had a fan base and all that, but in terms of TikTok, social media
Yeah.
content, you know, people hadn't like given themselves the time to adjust to the music part. You
Mhm.
know, it was him introducing something new.
And personally, I've been tapped into Days, dog. Okay, now I'm not even listening to him like that. But
Yeah.
dog, back then, like 2 years back, I was tapped into Days until he moved, did like the whole American move thing, you know. Got back. I feel like also the move that he made with like linking up with the content creators in Joburg
Yeah.
and also the artists there like Kindly Nash and all those upcoming ones, because they're the ones that are actually doing the most right now. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, he
So
put
yeah,
in
man,
the
big
work,
up, big
man.
ups to the boy, man. You know, Africa's
Big
not
up
a
the
zoo.
boy.
Dog, that's a banger.
Who
Boy.
the fuck said Africa's a zoo?
That's a boy.
Who
That's a
said
banger
that?
right there.
Nobody said that, bro.
We animals though, but it's not a zoo.
Type shit.
Type shit.
Type shit.
Yeah.
Hey, dog. Big Zulu was actually in a car accident recently. He
Yeah,
was
man.
involved in a car accident.
With the McLaren.
No.
Oh. I felt sorry for the McLaren there.
Nah, it's the 325.
325.
Yeah.
Ish. What happened?
You know what
there?
the crazy thing is?
Yeah.
He's been discharged. Like in a
Okay.
matter of 2-3 days.
Uh huh.
And if you were to see the car, bro,
The car's fucked up.
it's very messed up. And he's not discharged. He's standing strong. Insizwa. Yeah, Inkabi.
Shuno
Inkabi. Yeah,
Yeah.
he is
No.
Big Zulu for reals.
Yeah. No,
He is Big
minor
Zulu.
car accidents is gonna.
And crazy enough, a 325 doesn't even have airbags.
For real.
Yeah. So he took the crash head on. Now he's
Red zone, bro.
a dog.
Ain't that?
Nyalo inji pumina mna. And I think the only place he had a bandage is the ear.
Mm-hmm.
So he's like, nah, but then it's only the
It's
ear
only
that
the
got
ear.
damaged. He probably
Damn.
like, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am glad he survived, I guess.
Nah.
Yeah.
We still need some 200 bars from him. Dissing
Dog,
all these
yeah,
rappers.
We need a lot of those, but
Yeah.
he's one of the artists that actually keep hip hop on,
Mm-hmm.
you know. So
And
yeah,
he
man.
does put on the youngins too.
Yeah. Shout out to God
Talking
for
about
keeping him
youngins.
alive, bruh.
Bro, talking about youngins, there's actually this story going on that Casper allegedly stole this other kid's song. I don't know if it's a kid or what, but then this other rapper.
Mhm.
Yeah. Have you heard his new snippet? I think it's what does it say? How does it go?
Do you have the video?
Let me check.
Because I did not hear the snippet, no.
Yeah, let me just search him because he posted something recently.
Mr. Piliato's stealing songs now.
Crazy things happen, bro.
Uh-huh. The boy's trying to stay relevant.
Yeah. And that's the thing. They said like there's offices in Cape Town, I think, where they submit their songs,
Yeah.
you know, and then when these artists review them, that's when they dollar the things. They end up like changing they edit the beats, but it's still on the same level as that one. Then they tweak the lyrics a little bit, but it's the same flow
Same
and
flow,
everything. Yeah.
Kind of like what Drake did to Triple X.
Yeah.
Mm.
But then Triple X was popping, and these kids are actually trying to get recognition, while Grootman is dollaring things.
That's fucked up, man. You know, he should rather just give them like a cosign. Just be like, yo, I heard your track, it's
Yeah.
fire. Let me give you a cosign. You can
He's
even
even-
buy the track, bro. Just buy the track. You have enough money to
Yeah,
buy
it
the
is.
track. Yeah, this is fire, bro.
Yeah. It's late, dog.
That is too much. Before we get copyrighted, they say this is too much. They say, huh? What? Samba song? It's like, did he change the lyrics or what?
He changed the lyrics.
Uh-huh.
There was.
If
This
only you had like the
type of
original as
flow.
well.
What's the original? I
Because
saw
that
it.
sounds like Casper, bro.
Yeah.
Not the beats, but like the flow.
Yeah.
Nah, you see, if this is actually No, I understand. Maybe he stole it, but let him steal it, dog, because it's too much. Boy. Boy. I see
Let him
that-
steal it,
No,
ne?
let him steal it, bro. At least buy it, Casper, man. You have enough money. Why are you doing that to
Yeah.
the boy?
He has enough money, bro. You shouldn't be doing
Give
that.
him a young 200K, he'll keep quiet.
Bro,
How?
200K.
Oh, 20K is
I'd be
young.
more than happy to sell
Boy.
my song to Casper for
Soul.
200K.
Song.
Bro.
Soul or song.
My song.
Oh.
Why would I sell my soul?
Hey, boy. Our souls are like worth like $1 billion, boy.
Nah, boy. My soul
It's worth
is
nothing.
priceless.
My soul is worth $1 billion. From my soul. Escape $1 billion.
Who's
Give my
gonna
soul
give you?
right
Who's gonna give you 1 billion?
I don't know, dog. The devil, boy.
Don't turn to that.
Escape $1 billion. Me, I'll show you anything you want.
Will I find the?
Hey, Samba Zonke.
Bro, it's
Salela.
whatever, man.
Hey,
I
hey,
can't find the original.
Pepera. And not only is it like kind of like stolen from whatever he stole it from, but it's also
the lyrics.
the
it's
lyrics
like,
are also like
yeah.
thingy from an Amapiano song.
So,
But that's allowed at least
yeah.
if he spoke to the people.
And
which he
it's
probably
like
did.
on some, just
Yeah.
what's it called? This thing of taking lyrics from Mama Piano.
Sampling.
Sampling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should also sample, dog. Like
We should.
an old Amapiano song.
Bro.
And then like square it, and some
Bro.
that'll go
Yeah.
fire,
It would
dog.
go crazy.
Yeah.
Didn't you see? I did Umahamba Yetu.
Oh, Umahamba.
Right.
Also that beat that you
Yeah.
have, the pimp shit, also has Ike
Yeah, I
on it, the
get.
beat,
So yeah, sampling is actually
Shout out to 5K streams, dog.
Shout out, yo,
You know what I'm
Pimp
saying?
Shit just hit 5K streams. Keep streaming that.
That's
you feel
crazy,
me?
man. 5K is a lot.
On Spotify, the boy is up a tight shit. You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
But then yeah, man, and the music is too much. We're coming with a lot this year. Hey, Chiliano has been going crazy in studio.
Hey, boy, I'm trying my best, guys.
You
My
feel
bars are
me?
so cold, they gave me flu, So now it's like, I'm sick because of my cold bars.
Inja, I say.
But yeah, dog, speaking of music, American, all that stuff,
Yeah,
E-Man, you know E-Man, right?
yeah.
E-Man also has like a show that he introduced, here in South Africa. I think you saw it, dog.
I saw it.
Yeah, that guy has been causing a lot of tension with a lot of influencers, like even just like getting their numbers,
Yeah,
online. And that
Niggas'
nigga
hands and
W's
shit.
all the time, makes sense.
bro.
Yeah,
That guy never misses,
for
bro.
real, dog.
And he got paintings there.
Boy,
3-story house, boy.
boy.
Nah, boy.
Cape Teasy. But yeah, man, I
Tryna
saw
live
even
like
got
that.
Tabi Singh's number. And then it was like a whole thing with Tabi Singh and her boyfriend, and like how she was saying, yeah, Avele, he's American, so obviously, wara wara wara. Someone even said in the comment section, like, wouldn't you want a girlfriend allowance with USDs?
Yo.
Boy. The man for 1,000, just like
Except
18K. dog.
Facts, she said,
You know?
boy.
But yeah, man, E-Man is causing a lot of trouble, dog. Even with the show, y'all should go check it out, And yeah, it's
Brody's
proper.
going crazy, man.
Even I was watching Sonabile's live stream, watching the thing. He was like, because Ngani Jaya Mora was on the show,
Yeah.
like only for like a
Yeah,
split
for-
second,
yeah,
for like
she
that
left.
clip. And then she left. Niggas like W scam, because like she was just trying to shout out,
Yeah.
and then bounce.
Then she
because now her
vibes.
audience they saw in
Yeah, they
America,
saw her,
so
boy.
yeah, then she bounced.
Free promo.
Free promo, dog.
What?
So W scam. If she was trying to scam, W
Yeah.
scam, bro. That's proper. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, that's smart.
That's hella smart. I'm telling
That's
you,
smart.
dog.
Because she knew she had somewhere to be,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Instead, she
Mhm.
went to the house.
Did a
you know.
thing. But yeah, man.
Damn.
It's actually a proper show. I watched episode 2. Episode 2 wasn't that fire. Because I just feel like the girls, they're just trying to talk like they're Americans, stuff like that. They're not being
Yeah,
like.
I saw the trailer because I was trying to watch it before I pulled up.
Yeah.
You know, I saw the trailer and yeah.
Yeah, they forcing, dog. Me, it sounds kind of whack.
Why
boy.
don't they be authentic?
Yeah.
You know, be themselves.
Mhm.
And the nigga still gonna like them because he's
Facts.
after the booty. Instead
Facts.
of, you know.
And South Africa has a beautiful English accent, bro. Like, we speak such a beautiful English accent. If you're gonna now try it's UK or it's American, it's just gonna sound like you're forcing things, man.
Now you wanna sound like you're from US.
How, dog?
But then solo kudlala South Africa when at least when you say Cape Town.
At least was a good town. Don't eat us food now. Bona bagudli. Bona they gliding, baba.
Gliding,
Sine
boy.
siyagudla.
Siyagudla la. Samba ngemadolo.
Hey boy, it's tough,
Hey.
dog.
Except.
It's tough, my guy.
Then yeah, man. There's a lot that has been happening, bro. Especially like since 2025 started, bro. There's also this story with Donnell. Is it Donnell Mbele?
Yeah, I was about to bring that up, dog. Donnell Mbele. Hey,
Yeah,
that boy is in a lot of trouble, like say.
yeah. But
Ngapha
then,
he's a cheese boy. So you saw him in jail. I mean, not in a jail, man.
like
in court.
yeah,
How
yeah,
scared he
yeah.
looked.
Yeah.
Yo, but I'd be scared too, dog. Imagine
court.
what that. Court is like.
And it's
shit.
rape, boy. You
Dog.
know that when I like straight up get in Dayan type shit,
Yeah.
I'm gonna get popped there, cause you know how prisoners are in
Bro.
terms of people get like
Nah, the boy is in a lot
held
of
for
trouble.
rape.
So it says here, on Monday, Donnell, the son of former Generations actress Sonia Mbele, who was, I think, Ntombi on Generations.
Yeah,
I don't know if you.
I don't
used to
even
watch.
remember. Like thing is, it's been a while since I tapped into TV and
But love
lo kwakudala vele,
yeah,
dog,
Generations.
sakhula.
Yeah. Get why they call it Generations now, because this thing has been running for
For
generations. dog. 'Cause, yo,
generations.
But yeah, Sonia Mbele was granted 1,000 rand bail. After his
Imagine.
you see that I want to talk about, dog. Like, I did not know bail was this cheap, dog.
Nah, it's not.
It's not.
I think some strings were pulled, boy.
Nah.
Because even social media was just going crazy about the fact that he was granted bail for a K.
But like, is nothing, dog. Because
them.
yeah, to them it's really nothing.
Yeah.
If you think next, okay, give me something, but you know, like, it's still nothing.
Yeah, it's still nothing.
you
It's
know.
like affordable.
Yeah.
But not keep a van.
Because at least it's rape, dog. The case is pillar. Short me if I was there
And it's
for
not
like,
just one case, no, it's two.
I think it's 2, yeah. I think it's 2. But let me just carry on with what it says here. It says 1,000 rand bail after his court appearance where he faced 2 rape charges
Imagine.
filed by his ex-girlfriend.
So 500 each.
Boy, he made a brief appearance in Randburg Magistrates Court and is scheduled to return on the 10th of February as police continue further investigations into the allegations. National Prosecuting Authority spokesperson Pindi Mchongondwane, damn, Mchongondwane is crazy, said the case was opened at the sentencing even, dog.
Vula Uphuma nga K. Pretty soft and fun.
Serious. Sent police station by Donnell's 17-year-old former girlfriend. And Donnell was like, what, 22?
Yeah,
23?
22, 23.
Okay.
That nigga's older than you.
Boy. And he's in prison.
It's crazy.
And then it says the ex-girlfriend alleges that Mbele raped her 14 and 15 December. Best go 14 and 15 December.
It's lot, dog.
Best go. Not play farmers market or something like that, boy.
Yeah, farmers market was on the 15th.
As we're grooving, someone's busy doing funny things, yeah.
Bro.
2024
Dog,
at
and
his place of residence in
Nigga, we weren't
Morningside.
even like thinking about coochie. We were having a nice time. It's
Dog.
December. This nigga's out here hitting a girl, forcing
Morningside.
penetration.
She explained that the two of them were out on a date at Clearwater Mall on the 14th after consuming some beverages. Upon realizing that the restaurant was about to close, they both agreed to move to a different venue. She asked the accused, allegedly indicated that he wanted them to pass by his place of residence as he needed to charge his phone. On arrival, that's when the incident happened.
Damn.
So they were drunk.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were post drunk. They got there. Should some chita befuna, you know.
Vele beka shal machine because
Yeah.
le phone yabo. Fire njengawo maso tshela umntwana ebani ukuthi ufuna kulanza cheese. Yabo.
But this is his girlfriend, dog. Do you think you're gonna shall mission girlfriend? Like, it's his girlfriend.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So like, I'm also wondering, okay, they were on a date. They were on a date. Now they're trying to go home.
I saw chats.
Uh-huh.
I don't remember everything, exactly as it was, but then there was this text he sent OT, like he couldn't control himself and he got more turned on as she was screaming.
What the?
I think maybe they wanted to have sex and then the girl just
didn't want.
she didn't want no more and he just continued type shit.
Ish.
Who knows, man? We went there.
With a situation like that. But Nakuna, it seems as though they were fighting because they say before that, I think they also like had situations where he actually beat her up. I'm shy.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
think I saw a video where she was like crying and
Yeah.
talking about it.
So, to be honest, we don't know. Allegedly, I'm thinking, even my thoughts, I'm saying allegedly even to my thoughts. Allegedly, I think that this nigga probably, they got into an argument or a fight and probably started fighting and stuff like that. And you know, maybe he got turned on, he was drunk.
Yeah.
So obviously now he's under the influence. Now he's trying to,
And I understand the whole point of fighting and getting turned on by
you see what I
when
mean?
It happens.
Although it's wrong, guys. Like when your girl says no, please, even if it's your girl, even if it's your wife, it's wrong. You know what I'm saying? But then that's what happened, and I don't think, did it actually happen or did he actually rape her or
I
was it
don't know.
almost?
I
I think
don't
the
know,
chats
man.
were like there were chats where he said, I think it was between the two of them where it was like, you remember, you see what I almost did to you and stuff like that.
Yeah,
Wada,
yeah,
wada,
yeah.
wada. So I don't think that it actually happened. You know?
It's just like the whole
Yeah.
incident of getting physical.
Yeah, maybe got
With her.
physical, I'm
Yeah.
shy. Then maybe Veli some kumli and stuff like that. Then maybe he came to his senses or something like that, you know. But I will have to see on the 10th of February,
Cabanga
you know.
dog sekabuyela my senses akhe.
Dog,
I'm sorry. Nah, boy, this nigga's living a movie, boy.
dog. And he's an actor, food. His mom's an actor, so he's used to movies, dog.
Yeah.
Type
Yeah.
shit.
Facts.
But yeah, man, we'll have to see on the 10th of February what happens then, you know. And his mom didn't even show up, though. How would you feel if, like, you're in a case like that and your mom doesn't show up? Or your family, bro?
I'd feel kind of messed up, but the thing is, rape, boy.
Ish,
And the mom is a public figure.
boy. Vele sokumoshela igama, over.
Yeah. It's like, now as mage awukhoni ukufundisa umntwana wakho.
Yeah,
Yabo.
yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, because she did say, Uti, she's gonna let him, like, take full responsibility of his actions and everything, you know.
Mhm.
Yeah, she must be disappointed, obviously. you
Yeah.
know. But like, I think she should have pulled up, man. You know, to at least show some support, nyan. But I saw Boko Lane about auntie. Maybe it's his grannies and aunties. I don't know.
Yeah, most probably.
Yeah, but then yeah, guys. I just like to say that as for like GBV and stuff like that, guys, please, if you're watching this and you're a viewer, please. Okay, you are a viewer if you're watching this.
Yeah.
Please.
Take care of your hands, man.
Take
Don't
care of your
do all
girlfriends,
that crazy
guys.
shit.
If you have anger, take it out on us, machita, asilweni like ilone machita, you know, or take it out at the gym or a punching bag or something like that, you know.
Yeah. And
Oh,
if
I
you
don't know,
feel
take
like-
it out on yourself.
Yeah.
I don't know, do something to yourself.
And
bruh.
if you can't actually like discard of the anger you have towards this girl, leave her.
leave her, dog. Go drink alcohol, drown yourself in alcohol, go to church. I don't know, but don't hit a girl because you'll end up in jail, my boy. Go
Hey,
phela
but
ukuthi akuthanda
drowning
mntwana.
yourself with alcohol is
Alcohol-
crazy because you can also end up in jail, pal.
Like for drowning yourself in alcohol.
Yeah, you can drown yourself in alcohol and do crazy shit because you're still angry. So
Or drown yourself in alcohol in a place where you know what you won't do some fucked up shit. Just pass out and fucking.
nah, just work on yourself, boy. Work on yourself. This
Yeah.
nigga's giving bad advice. Work
Bad
on
advice,
yourself.
but it's better than hitting a woman. Don't hit women, guys, please. Don't, because rape is going higher
I
and
almost
higher.
said hit her with a dick, but then
That-
that's worse, bro. It's
and that's
basically,
basically-
yeah.
hit her
Oh
with
my
a
God.
dick if she wants, if you
Yeah.
consent, if she wants as well. You know what I'm saying?
Facts.
But yeah, guys, please, man, you know, GPV and all this rape stuff, it's really not cool. You know, as men, I feel like we should just like raise awareness, you know, to these type of things. Because it really is bad, man. You know, as a guy, you shouldn't be showing my power arco to get cheery. If you want to show off your powers, go show them off as cheating. You know? Go more as many cheaters as you want. There you'll see, it's okay, now it's power versus power, not power versus vulnerability. You know what I'm saying? That's hella fucked up, my G's. Stay focused. If your women are, you know, leave her,
They
bro.
like-
Walk away. Or shout.
It's
I don't
like
know.
having a jam, boy.
Yeah.
Take care of it.
Take care of it. If it you know, fly papas for you, disrespects you, leave it, dog.
Simple as that.
Simple as that. Don't do anything funny. And funny thing, you find some other girls, bro, like on some toxic shit, they actually like niggas
Yeah,
like
they
that.
like
that hit them
niggas
and
like
stuff.
that.
There's actually girls like that. It's like, yeah,
Some
I'm
people are
Tanza.
damaged, boy.
Yeah,
They damaged.
they damaged,
mentally.
yeah. Should patch look very yabo.
Yeah.
And if they get a boyfriend like Giuliano who doesn't hit them, who
They
treats
get
them,
bored.
they get bored.
They cheat. They do shit. They vibe.
So hey, we live in a fucked up generation, honestly speaking.
Real fucked up.
Really fucked up, dog. But hey, still seen.
Ekuse ngivungitshela ngagogo mawenu utswendeni.
Ish, dog. I don't even. Do you think it's safe to talk about her? They talk
Nyalo
about
for sure
Kokoma.
uyeva ukuthi sikhuluma ngayo.
Endod.
Endod.
Dog.
Twende
Thola
kamanga
sizibuyela
la.
yakhe endod. You don't want those type of situations, dog.
But
yeah,
then, like, cover the story, bro. People gotta know us.
But yeah, with Kokoma Weni, it says here in SABC News, this article says, traditional healer Makgotso, even the Makgotso very sounds like a traditional healer's name. I am playing for all the Makgotsos there. But yeah, our traditional healer Makgotso, Kokoma Weni, Mafukeng even.
And
But Kokoma Weni Mafukeng has been released on 5,000 bail. Boy, 5,000. And in to share Mungelpodlela.
Okay.
Ah, boy, we live in a fucked up. I wanna
The
understand
system
how,
is messed up.
I really do want to understand how bail works, eh? But okay, 5,000 bail after briefing appearing in the Protea Magistrates Court in Soweto. Makes sense. They probably court as a Soweto van.
Yeah.
Mafukeng is facing a charge of assault with the intent to cause grievous bodily harm. She was arrested on the 19th of January in connection with an assault incident. The case has been postponed to next month, which is February. Mafukeng handed herself over to the Mandia police.
Mandia.
Mondeu, whatever. Mondeu.
Shock. From
Is it-
Mondio to Mandia.
Is it Mondi where?
Yo, Nkosi yami Singisi.
I don't know, dog. On Sunday, 19th January, after police came to a residence looking for her in connection with the assault, in which she is alleged has assaulted complaints with the bottle in December. That makes sense, dog. It's December. Bodlela, batsakiwe. You know?
So when ukhona clients at December nilibhodlela usho ukuthi kuse.
Like, did you know Guti? South Africa made 1 billion
Yeah.
on just alcohol consumption.
sales kuse.
Boy, that is crazy.
Kanathwa la
dog.
kuse.
That is crazy.
So
dog.
vele if you own a bar December, you reckon up.
Boy, 1 billion is crazy. But yeah, Mafukeng, okay, she handed herself over a bottle last year. The state prosecutor says that the accused has 4 previous convictions against her dating back to 2015. The case has been postponed to the 11th of February. And allegedly, not even allegedly, bro, she was 7 days pregnant. No, she's pregnant and she's been in jail for 7 days
Oh.
behind bars and she's pregnant.
Like how would they know she was 7 days pregnant?
But yeah, man. So they say since getting arrested on the 19th of January, the controversial Sangoma has been behind bars on charges of assault with the intent of grievous, okay, whatever. It is alleged that Mafukeng used a bottle to striking her in the mouth. Yes, sis. The matter was previously provisionally closed due to the untraceability of the complaint. I'm guessing the person that complained doesn't have proof, I guess. Because if I get it December,
Like totally nemlomo wakhe akakavuvuki.
yeah, or maybe akazange asesele thombe, you know. The national prosecuting whatever.
Manje mase bakushaya ngelibhodlela emlomeni kuse. Kunjani?
Hey,
like-
dog.
Matinyo
Imagine
akabe
Savannah.
buhlungu blind kuse.
No, le black.
Yeah, tholele black. Ba. Hayi.
Nothing yaphuwa, dog.
And bogogo maweni phela bashada indoda khona qo. Thokuthi kumfahle ngale Hennessy.
Lord.
Eh
But hey, I'm actually glad umshaya ngelibhodlela because she could have done worse, man. She's a sangoma. So like, umshaya ngelibhodlela, I feel like it's better, bro. I feel like it's better, dog. What if umfake tu ngelibhodlela? Because beyangamfana tu ngelibhodlela, dog. Keep a bully, say.
Ofatu elibhodlela ambeke lapha as a
Ambeke.
collection yeah
Exactly, boy.
Hayi boy.
So personally, I feel like it's better, dog.
yeah.
You know, and the lawyers,
Eish,
figure
yes,
yes,
yes.
report that yeah, she's pregnant, so I think that's why they released her.
Nah, dog.
You know.
Ngeke dog.
Yeah, well, and but yeah, man, I feel like
When
That's it about Coco Mawayne. Ish, angazi that.
nah dog and buka bakhuluma ngakho mawena ngikhumbula like this whole thing with lama outs ukushada igame like
Oh, lakazi.
yeah. I don't know the other sangoma
Coming man, Coco bando ya.
and
Sis
Mati
Cotain.
Lokoko
Mara Cotain was one of the Cocos. Mara ngisho lo be alive Facebook all the time.
akhuluma ngalabafana bakhona.
Huh? Yeah. Coco funny something. funny something, damn. But Coco, yeah. And uthe uTota, okay, uthe uTota.
Yeah,
Ngake
uthe
nakhuluma naye
uTovela.
because hey, uTota vele and since then nothing. Machita phunyukile, machita bese aculisa kusese kuyindaba le serious.
Bathi ngicabanga ukutshela gogo mawena
Ndoda, Cotain.
bekungisikhotheni kani
Cotain, yeah.
akusingimawena hayi indoda bashana
Be
gogo
access
mawena
be access Coco Cotain.
dog what's
Oh, bashay
yena
both.
what's yena ucabanga nokutshela gogo mawena
Oh.
because they also act as gogo mawena ngithola
I thought it was Cotain.
bathi gogo mawena inkinga ngamtshela
Eh.
ngoba ngilenyini
Embonya mse ubhizi ngezinto eziserious ungabe vele kunyiwe coco. Pre hey fani akazange ede. Siphelele ukuthi vela I end my threats and stuff like that, you know.
yeah
But yeah, hope those guys learned their lessons because for sure my threats got to them. Yabo. But I feel like if she had pulled up or he,
yeah
I don't know.
it'd
But
be a bit better
if he had pulled up there, it would have been better. Yabo.
man some
But yeah,
people
man.
never learn still
Some people never learn though. Ngisho noma ungashajwa umphakathi sometimes uyaphinza ubuyele utshontshe futhi.
yeah
Unavele ngakuncuma.
dog
I'm popping bottles in my mouth.
gogo mawena
Kumawini. But yeah, hey.
nah I think that's all right that's all guys
I think that's it, guys.
Hey.
Happy January. Hey, January is finally almost over.
and
Thank
there's like
God.
2 days left 2 days yeah
Hey, dog. How are you looking forward to Valentine's Day?
not really
Not really.
yeah I would but if I were to focus on relationships I'd just be saying I don't love myself
I feel like Gav now it's ngasha style and I am like on the 14th. Siphume sisijida. So shatino nje kube yeah, kube bo red and black vele.
ish
Red and black and white.
ish
New over.
ish
Do everything for ourselves. Cause man, you know, these bitches ain't shit, dog. We know that already. You know what I'm saying?
that's something that has been processed
A long
a
time
long
ago.
time ago
Since Tupac, boy.
but
yeah.
so, are you looking forward to it
I am in 2-3 talking stages. So I'm not looking forward to it.
yeah
Because they probably expect something and they're not gonna get nothing. You know? But like
dog
I might just buy like roses or something. I might, who knows?
do you know how much roses cost
What's 200? Futhi ngithenga nyalo before.
yothenga lawa sewulethe
Yeah, ngithatha ulethe.
oh
And I'm gonna buy now before the time.
ukuthi ufuna kuthenga lawa vele
Ah.
boma 1.7
Angeke. Lawo kodwa bo
ngicabangile phela lokho nami ngasho ukuthi athi ngitende umuntu lo ngasulungile nyani ngithola manje ngithi ngiyabuka relationship ayithembisi mara ngifuna ukukhipha 1.7
dog. Manigekwe dog. Manigekwe.
nah bro
Bafuna kuganya ngazi labo chiri labo.
abagayi nokuganya dog masokhipha lama rose 1.7 kusasa khona feel
Dog.
because she won't even take care of them yoshaya ipicture lapha post
Labo teddy bear labo. That same teddy bear is gonna stay in her room where another nigga's gonna juma
and chow
chow.
achithele
And then
ko
ask who that name of the teddy bear is on some romantic shit. You know, like keep pulling up and
Yeah.
asking what the name of the thing is.
Yeah.
Umbambe nawo umchita lo.
udlale ngawo
Udlale ngawo. Lapho it's another nigga's money that you play
yeah
with. Boy, mina the
dog konke lokho ngiyakubona mina I've played with a lot of things that
Dog.
other niggas bought dog bengigcoka ama jackets ema out gcoka ama jackets ema out
when a dog
kahle ukuthi that's why dog ngiyavisisa lokumhlaba angishayela phansi yabona in
Karma.
terms of ilo mjolo yeah it's karma because I've also been in that stage la vele bengimosha kakhulu khona dog
cause nami get ende yalo mna chira ngithekile ama chocolate ngadla naye ama chocolate akhe. Jita teskola
Ngibona
hostel.
basijubela ama cake ema out leyo side
Mbuto uthi, do you like this guy? Nah.
Nah,
I
he just
don't like
buys
him.
me things. And that's how most girls are, bro. Like, they just be getting shit for free from these niggas, and
Boy.
then it's like that. That time mundo konya
Hey.
ngala ubuyile ngala. But then I feel like
Yeah,
it's
man.
something they can't get over. Like that's something they're gonna be on.
Yeah.
You know, because it's kind of hard for girls nowadays to grow up mentally.
Yeah.
Like mentally.
Yeah.
What the fuck did I say? Mentally.
Mentally.
Nah, but then that could be something.
Mentally, yeah. There's probably a country in the world that says it like that.
Yeah.
Because pronunciation is,
Yeah.
you know.
Say.
But yeah, man. Buy your girls roses. Buy them chocolates. We'll eat them with her. And yeah, we condone that, guys. Don't be a stingy boyfriend if you're a boyfriend.
If you don't post her, we'll post her on your behalf.
Facts.
I mean, we
If you don't love her,
mind,
we'll love her on your behalf.
you know.
You know?
Nala uhluleka khona thina. We're
Stop
happy to
corner. I'm a
feel
side
it.
nigga.
Yabo. Adlala
Yabo.
mina ngisi side nigga yamuntu ndoda. I'm my side nigga. I'm my nigga. Falling in love with myself.
Type shit.
Look ning, Stockborn. Happy Valentine's Day in advance.
In advance. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this channel to 1,000, guys, as quick as possible. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it to 1,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying?
Leave some comments in the comment section.
Mhm.
You know,
Let us know what y'all think.
content
just keep quiet.
suggestions.
And also people you'd like to see on the show. You know?
Yeah.
And yeah, man. Down. This is Vibes on the Soft Network. It's Chiliano, my boy. Keto.
Keto.
RSA, SA. You name
this
it.
nigga.
Type shit. Danko.
Nah, please.